Hello everybody, we're currently working on a 2018 Toyota Rav4. Customer has a working key. We are adding a key into the system. As you can see, once we're prompted, this security light, once it goes off, that means that the key is learned. Okay, so the machine is pretty much adding the key into the system, and we're waiting for that light to stop blinking. And once it stops blinking, that means the chip has been recognized by the car and it is added to the vehicle. Let's just wait a few more seconds. Hopefully it'll go on the first try. And this is an H chip. If you notice, your Toyota keys have an H or a G or a little dot. That lets the locksmith know what chip is in the vehicle. As you can see, the light is no longer blinking. There we go. Toyota Rav4. The remotes are programmed. We're good to go. Toyota Rav4 2018, programming a new key and an additional key. Thanks for watching, guys.